Hello, everyone. Today, I will present our infographic titled Grammar in Motion, a digital storytelling journey. This activity is designed for grade 10 English students and follows the UNESCO ICT CFT approach under technology literacy. The main idea of this activity is to help students learn grammar while also using digital tools. So instead of only writing sentences and papers, students will create a digital story presentation, which makes learning more interactive and engaging. So now let us start with the first part of the infographic. What is technology literacy? Technology literacy refers to the ability of teachers and students to use digital tools to support learning. In this approach, technology is not replacing teaching but enhancing the existing curriculum. Teachers integrate ICT resources such as presentation software and learning platforms into traditional classroom instruction. This helps improve productivity, effectiveness, and students' engagement. By using technology, students not only learn grammar but also develop digital skills that are important in the modern world. So, steps of the activity. The infographic also shows the 5 steps of the activity. So, step 1 is introduction. The activity begins with the teacher reviewing a grammar lesson using a digital presentation. For example, the teacher may discuss past tense verbs and provide examples. So this step helps students understand the grammar rule before they apply it in their own work. Step 2 is tool familiarization. Students are introduced to the digital tool they will use. The teacher guides them through the basic features of the presentation software, such as adding text, inserting images, and arranging its slides. This ensures that students are comfortable using the technology. Step 3, Drafting. In this step, students work in pairs. They write a short 5 sentence story that uses the target grammar rule. Working with a partner encourages collaborations and helps students share ideas while practicing correct grammar. Step 4 is digital creation. After writing their story, students convert their work into a 5 slide digital presentation. Each slide contains one sentence of their story along with one relevant image to support the text. This step allows students to combine language skills with creativity and visual storytelling. Step 5 is submission. Finally, students save their presentation and upload the file to the designated Google Classroom folder. This makes it easy for the teacher to review their work and provide feedback. So the infographic also highlights the digital tools used in this activity. So first is presentation. It is presentation software such as Canva or Google Slides, which students use to create their digital story. Second is the learning platform, specifically Google Classroom, where students submit their finished work and receive feedback from the teacher. These tools support both content learning and digital skill development. So, expected learning outcomes. So, this activity also aims to achieve 3 important learning outcomes. So, first, students will be able to apply grammar rules in a creative writing context. Second, they will demonstrate basic competencies in using presentation software, which improves their digital literacy. Third, students will learn how to navigate digital platforms for submitting their work, which is an essential skill in modern education. So, how the activity helps students learn? So, this activity transforms a traditional writing task into a multimodal learning experience. Instead of simply writing sentences, students combine text, images, and digital tools to express their ideas. Images help visualize the context of the story, making the grammar more meaningful. The activity also increases students' engagement because students enjoy using technology and creating something visually appealing. Most importantly, it prepares students with 21st century skills, including digital communication, creativity, and collaboration. So, in conclusion, Grammar in Motion, a digital storytelling journey, is an activity that integrates grammar learning with technology. Through digital storytelling, students improve their grammar skills, creativity, and digital literacy at the same time. By combining language learning with ICT tools, this approach helps make the classroom more interactive, engaging, and relevant to today's learners. So, thank you, and that is the explanation of our infographic.